Good morning, student. Last numerical, actually, we have to discuss this one. Because of lack of time, we could not discuss 100%. So today we'll discuss this one. This is the numerical, you can see. In this numerical, we have to find the annual rainfall data is given for the station M. And for surrounding station M, almost 10 surrounding stations average rainfall is given. And we have to find the consistency of the rainfall data of station M. I will read the question. Annual rainfall data for station M as well as the average annual rainfall values for a group of 10 neighboring stations located in a meteorologically homogeneous region are given below. In 1950, the rainfall of station M is 676 and average annual rainfall of group of station, any 10 stations, average rainfall is 780. This is for 1950. Similarly, for 1951, 52, 53 up to 1979, this is rainfall is given for station M and surrounding 10 stations annual average rainfall is given. So here 90, 70, 786, 10, 110, 520, likewise up to 588. And the question is test the consistency of the annual rainfall of station M and correct the record. If there is any discrepancy, estimate the mean annual precipitation of station M. So how we will solve this? So first what we will do, we will arrange all these data, this one and this one in the descending order. Yani first we will arrange 1979, then 78, then 77, likewise up to 1950. So here I have already done this one. Here we have taken the years 1950 to 1979. 79 annual rainfall of station M is this one is given up to 1979, and annual average or average annual rainfall we can say of the group of 10 station is given from here to this. So what I will do from 1950 to 1979, I will arrange the reverse one. So here you can see what I did. I added all the value in the reverse order. Yani first 1979, then 78, 77, 76, 75, 74 up to 1950. And its respective rainfall is here 612, 426, 825, 685, likewise. Now, then after what I did, I find the cumulative rainfall of station M and cumulative rainfall of surrounding station. How I did this, see here. I will take this cumulative rainfall for 1979 as it is. So here it will be same 612 here, 612 here. Then what I will do, I will add 612 plus 426, 600, let's 612 plus 426, I will got this one 1038. Then 1038 plus 825, I will get the cumulative rainfall of 1977. So now you can see I got this one. When I will double click here, this one, I'll get all this up to 1760. So here what I did, this one as it is, this one is what? This plus B1. Yani this 612 plus 426. Similarly, this one is how much? 1038 plus 825. Similarly, you will say this one is how much? 1863 plus 685. So likewise, we will get this one. Similarly, average annual rainfall of the group station is this one. What I will do, I will write this 588 as it is. Then 588 plus this one, I will get cumulative rainfall. What happened? this one plus this one, 98. Then this one will be equal to what? This one plus this one. So likewise, you will get. So if I'll double click, I'll get this one. Now you can see how I did this. The graph I drawn between this one, third column versus fifth column. Okay. So here this column, fifth column is taken on x-axis here. You can see this on x-axis, this is the value. On y-axis, I taken this one. If I will add the label here, x-axis and y-axis, x-axis, this one. So here on x-axis, this one is the value. So here I will write. Now you can understand. Similarly, on y-axis, this one is the value. This is the table. Now you understand. You will see that these values 588, 599, 98, then 1785. Can you see here? See here. Okay. If I will make it large, then it will be more clear. You can see here this one from bottom up to 18,396. You can see this one. Okay. Now, if you will see this graph, you will find that this graph up to 1967. You can see this one. For 1967, the value of 6,901. This value up to here, you will find the graph was going straight. If you will see, I will draw with some other color I will use, and 1 minute. If you will see this graph up to this, just I will correct. Now see here, up to 6,901, where what is this value? This value is for 1967. Can you see this one? The line is showing exactly straight, but when you will see, when I will draw this graph very straight. Now, can you see this one? Can you see this one? This graph after 6,901, you can see this one. This is the year after that, this line is deflected. Which one? This above line is deflected. So here we will find the values of the slope of both lines. So what I will say, this is my correct line. And this one is the wrong one. Okay, this is wrong. And this is the correct one. So here what I will do, I will take the slope of both line and I will take the ratio. How I will find the values of y and x? Let's try to understand this. So here we can take anywhere x and y. Let's say from here to here somewhere up to here, let's say. I want to find what is this horizontal value. Let's say this is delta x. Let's say this is delta x. So delta x, how much will be this delta x? Can you tell me what will be delta x value? If you will see properly, just again we will find no issue. Okay. No, I will do as it is. I will shift this way. Okay. Can you find this? What is this delta x value? How much is this value? See here, from here to here, what is this one? This is 2000. From here to here, this is 2000. How I am saying 2000? See, this is 8,000, this is 10,000. So 8,000 and 10,000. Yani between this, the distance is 2,000. Then again, this is 10,000 to 12,000. This is again 2,000. So here up to here, this is 4,000. And if you will see, this is 6,000 to 8,000. This one is again 2,000. And if you will see, this point is exactly half, almost half, I can say. So it means this distance is 1,000. So this is 2,000. This is 2,000. And this one is 1,000. So delta X is how much? Total 5,000. Okay, clear? I hope this is clear. Now, I want to find out what is this delta Y value for correct line and for the wrong line. So my correct line is this one. So from here to here, I will take one and I want to find what is this value. What is this value, delta Y? So if you will check this one, so again, you will find this is how much? This is 2,000. Can you see here? From 8,000 to 10,000, this value is 2,000. So this is 2,000. And again, can you find what is this value? See, this is little bit less from here to what should be this value? If you will check this value. And also, can you check this value? This is almost half. Yani this is 1,000. This is 2,000. Already we know this is 2,000. This is 1,000. This is 2,000. And what should be this value? If this is total is 2,000, so slightly less. Yani 250 maybe this one. So 1,000, 2,000 minus 250. 2,000 minus 250. 2,000 minus 250, you will find almost how much? 2,000 minus. It is almost 700, 1,700 and 250, right? Two thousand minus 250. So this is how much this value is. So I can say this value from here to here, this is 1,750. So total will be how much? This total will be how much? So from here to here, this total is how much? This total is 1,000 plus 2,000 plus 1,750. How much will be this one? 1,750 plus 1,000 plus 2,000. It is coming 4,750. So this delta Y, correct, for correct line. This delta Y is coming. I will delete all and just I will write the single value of delta Y. And this is how much? This is from here to here. This one is 4,750. 4,750. Now, similarly, can we find for the wrong line? So wrong line, what will be delta Y value from here to here? This is for wrong value. This is for correct. So can you find this one will be how much? This is 2,000. This is again 2,000 and 4,000. And this one will be maybe, let's say if this is half, this is half. Just try to understand this. If this is half here, this line is somewhere here. Let's say this is 800. Assume this is 800 or 900. Because from here to here, this is 1,000. So minus 100, let's say 900. This is 900. And from here to here again, let's say this is the half 1,000. So half of 1,000 is 500. And this is 2,000. This is 2,000. This is 900. This is 500. So here I can say that 900 plus 500 plus 4,000. 900 plus 500 plus 4,000. It is 5,400. So here for the, I can say that 5,400 is for the wrong. So it is somewhere from here to here. I hope this is clear to you. This is 5,400. Okay. This value is this value, blue color value is 5,400. Now what I said, the formula is actually, if you will see, formula is for the correct, yani 4,750 divided by 5,400. So you will get one factor, ratio, correction factor, 5,400. And here is 4,750 divided by 5,400. The value is almost 0. This is equal to how much? This is, we are getting 0.87. 0.87. Okay. Now, if you will see delta x is will be cancelled. How? See here. This is our graph. We draw the graph exactly. Line should be like this. But what happened? Our graph is tilted from somewhere here, or up or down. We can say what was this is. This is up. Yani our graph is tilted from somewhere up. So here what we are doing, we are taking from this point to this point, we are taking one vertical line. This is our delta x. And for here to here, we found that this is 5,400. And if you will see this one on the same line from here to here, this is 4,000. What was this one? This one 4,750. Now see, if you will check this delta x value, this I did something. Yes, this delta x value for both, this delta x value for the correct line and for the incorrect line. This is a incorrect, wrong one. And this one is a correct one, right? So for both, if you will see, our graph is going like this, and suddenly it is tilted somewhere here. So if you will check this one, this delta x is same for both. But delta y is different. Yani 5,400 is different and this one is different, but delta x, this will be same. So actually slope will be equal to what? For correct line, yani let's say delta y c divided by delta x. And for wrong line, this is, let's say, delta y a. Yani this value is delta y a. This orange color. And this one is this one, this value. This value is delta y c, that is 4,750. This is 5,400. So here I will say delta y a divided by delta x. So delta x is same for both, it will be cancelled. So finally what we are getting delta y c divided by delta YA. And delta YC is how much? Delta YC we got 5,400. Sorry, 4,750. 4,750 divided by 5,400. So when you will solve this, we are getting 0.87. So this is our ratio. So what we will do? If you will check now here, so this ratio we got 0.87. Now what we will do? If you will see this data, now see here. Then we will add one column, adjusted value of station M. So station value of station M is from here 1979, and from 588. From here to here, this is correct. So this one we will keep it as a dash. Okay, we will not fill anything here. But from 1967, the value is different. So what we will do? We will apply this formula. This one will be equal to any this value of station M rainfall value. From here to here, this is correct. So no need to apply the correction factor. But from 573 to up to here, this is wrong value. So what we will do? We will correct this value. So how we will correct this value? We will apply this formula that is equal to 0.87. What we got 0.87 from where we got? You know very well. So 0.87, that is a factor. Multiply this rainfall, this value of rainfall, 573. So you are getting the correct value is 498.51. The wrong value is 573. Now corrected value is 498. And when you will drag this, you will find that all this corrected value, all corrected value. I hope this is clear. Now this is what this is the correct value for the station M. Now we want the cumulative value also, corrected cumulative value. Now here you will see this one. The same is done here. So from here to here, these values are okay. But after that, from 1967 up to here, this value was something wrong. So how it is corrected? The same way they corrected. They taken the ratio. They calculated the ratio between this by this graph. Now what they did? Their factor. They found the factor is this one. This is delta Y C. This one. And this is delta Y A. When they will take the ratio of these two, they are getting 1.173. So this 1.173 multiplied by the column M station reading. So M station reading is this one. So here, if they will multiply 573 multiply this 1.173, if you will check 573 multiply 1.173, so you will get the value of correct value. I will just show you 1.173 multiply 573. It is coming 672.129. Clear? Now next reading is what? Next reading is 999. So what they got the correct value? So here you can see 573, they got 690. 573 multiply 1 point. They got how they got? They multiply 573 multiply 573 multiply. No, they are They are multiplying from 1968. 596 multiply 1.173. 598 here 598 multiply 1.173. When you will have multiply this, then you will get the same value 1.173 multiply 598. They taken from 1968. So it is coming 701. So here they are getting so 596, not 598. 596, 596. 596 multiply 1.173, they are getting 699.108. 699.108. Almost similar, okay? Then again, this 573 multiply 1.173. 1.173. So they will get this value. So this value is multiplied by 1.173. So they are getting the new value here. New value here. So finally, what they got? They are, see, these values are, they will write as it is. 612, they written as it is. 426, they written as it is. 825, this is as it is. So they are writing as it is. Now, when they will reach here, so this 698.92, they round the figure. 698.92, they say 699. Similarly, another values, what they did, they round figure. Now see here, 671.95, they will round it as a 672. 672. Now you can check, okay? 671, they 672. 117, 1.51, they did round figure as a 1172, likewise. So finally, they got the correct value of station end. So here you will see what we did here. We will multiply, that is what? 0.87, what we got, multiply which value from 573, okay? So before that, we will apply the formula equal 0.678 multiply this 573, bracket close, enter. So we are getting this one. Because our ratio is, we are getting 0.87. So based on our ratio, we are saying this one. Then finally, you can also write the same value as a here. Okay. You will see this one. Now here you can see this one, but here we have to change this value. So here we will write this value. Okay. Now we can do one thing. Now we have to make it round figure. So we will select this one. 699. Now it is round figured. Okay. So this is the solution. How we will find the missing value or the wrong value from here to here. The correct value is this one. This is the correct value. And how this graph is drawn, now this is very well known to you. I will stop this one.